Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About x to the power of 4, we can put into x squared to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to x squared. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we got du equal to 2x dx. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. S dx we change by this one. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equal to 2 sine t. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have 2 cosine t dt. So we put this one go in here. That's about 2 cosine t dt. About u, that's about 2 sine t. So we will have about 4 sine t squared. Number 4, we can do about factorization. One minus sine t squared, that's about cosine t squared. The square root of number 4 cosine t squared, that's about 2 cosine t. So this one you got about dt. The integration of dt, that's about t. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 2. So we got about t equals to r sine of u over 2. So we put this one to replace for t. About u, that is about s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.